Hi, my name is JD and welcome to Excel in 3. Have you ever wanted to generate random numbers for a data set and you keep on getting duplicates? Well, today I am going to show you how to generate unique random numbers using only 2 formulas. Here I have an example of a list of 20 students and I want to randomly allocate numbers to. Since I have a group of 20 students, naturally I would go for the RAND between formula. Let's use the RAND between formula and see how that turns out for us. Select the first cell in which you want the first random number to reflect. Click F(x) to call up the formula. Click the drop-down menu on the category and select all. I personally like just searching from all the formulas, as you will definitely find the formula you are looking for. Highlight the description area and type RAND between and click Go. Double-click on the RAND between. Click OK. Now, since I have 20 students, I am going to type my bottom value as 1 and my top value as 20. Press Enter and let's see the result. Copy the result down to the rest of the students. You will notice that your first result changes. This is because all random formulas are set to recalculate each time there is a change in the worksheet. Therefore, it is important to copy and paste as values as soon as you have generated your numbers. Now let's quickly check for any duplications using the conditional formatting. Note that the RAND between formula has generated all these duplicates. Now let me show you how you can generate unique random numbers. We are now going to use the RAND formula and then the rank formula. Click F(x) to call up the formula. Select all under category. Type RAND. Click Go. Click OK. The formula has generated a random number. Copy the formula to the rest of the students. Copy and paste values so that the formula does not keep regenerating random numbers. Now in the next column, let's use the rank formula. Select the cell next to the first random number. Click F(x) to call up the formula. Select all under category. Type rank. Click Go. Click OK. Under number, click the cell with the random number. Under ref, highlight all the cells with random numbers and press F4 in order to lock the range selected. Order, you will type 0 if you want the random numbers to be ranked in descending order and any other number if you want the random numbers to be ranked in ascending order. For this example, I am going to use 0. Copy the formula down to the rest of the students. Now let's check for duplicates again using the conditional format. There you go, random numbers without any duplicates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with any topics you would want us to touch on.